Emmy, what you got?
Is that a present from Mama Dot?
Emmeline.
Is that your big girl chair?
You know how to work the buckles? Alright, where's our other present, Mommy?
Okay.
Sit down.
It's your present from Mama Dot.
Here, look.
It's your present from Mama Dot. Do you need some help? Here, come here. Let's open it. Let's open it. Mommy taped it too much. I'm sorry. Mommy was a little bit tape crazy. There you go.
And that paper doesn't tear very easily.
Yeah. There you go. Can you tear it now? What is it?
Yeah, what is it?
Hold it up.
Show Daddy what it is.
Hold it up.
Oh, did you get a bunch of Sesame Street videos?